everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today my KnitCrate. It came in a bag. So let's check it out. And here is the inspiration card. Western Sun. How beautiful is that inspiration? That is gorgeous. It says, sleep under the stars and watch the sparks of your campfires flicker upwards into the blue night. The next morning, you'll turn your horse towards the west and follow the sun again for another day. And the choices for the colorways are that gorgeous red, or that alpaca for the knit and crochet club, and this beautiful gray, or that blue for the sock club. So let us take a look and see what I got in mine. Burr, burr, burr. It's excitement. All right. It's exciting. So here it is, and look at the beautiful. That is gorgeous. And as you can see, it is Aldean Woods in Mellow. And that is gorgeous. And let us read about it. It is high and dry, 80% alpaca, 20% tinsel. It is a bulky weight. There is 125 yards, or 100 grams, or 114 meters. And as usual, this is hand washed gently and dry flat. And look at that. There is 250 yards. Look at that. How beautiful is that? That is super, super silky soft. Gorgeous. And our lucky item that we get with our KnitCrate this month is this beautiful purple bag. And it's got 2 zipper openings. One here. And, oh, I gotta open it. And one on top. So it's got 2 pockets to put all kinds of your goodies in. Absolutely wonderful. And of course it gives you ideas of what you could stick in your bag. Scissors, tapestry needle, tape measure, needles or hook, and of course a KnitCrate pattern. So what a lovely KnitCrate package for the month. It is great. Absolutely fantastic. So I hope you've enjoyed this. This has been wonderful. Absolutely love KnitCrate. So you guys make sure that you go sign up for a KnitCrate as quick as you can. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.